My name is Music Phil,
My name is DJ Spooky.
and this is Classic Rhythm Review.
Yardstyle Life Territory, openly represented. Yeah! Territory, Yardstyle Life Territory. Ay, territory.
This week's Classic Rhythm Review is
Brainwave.
produced by Steely and Clevey.
Clevey.
And you know, Steely and Clevey are forward from King Jammies. They were the, what do you call it now? The main
The house band.
house
Jammies.
band, Jammies. And them are the backbone of Jammies. You
Jammies
understand me?
musician them.
Jammies musician them. And they branch out and did their own label, you know, and start. They were a part of the digital revolution. You understand
Yes.
me? Yeah. So when they produced Brainwave, this was their production. You understand me? Not the first.
Not the first.
Yeah. You understand me? So Brainwave is actually, them call it Brainwave because it's actually a version of Taxi.
Taxi, yeah.
Yeah. Remember at that time you'd have the Taxi Rhythm with Sly and Robbie. So, and then you'd have a song called Prophecy. So
Yeah.
it's like a version of Far East, or it's a version of Taxi.
Taxi.
If you check Far East, Taxi are basically the same.
Yeah, it's a version of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So the Brainwave Riddim had songs like, well, the instrumental was there, you don't know, Brainwave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you had Wayne Wonder, Still Say Yes.
Yes.
You know, then the Wayne Wonder sing couple covers, you know. Wayne Wonder. Yeah, man. Still Say Yes.
Oh, baby. Oh, darling.
Yeah, but the reggae classic Wayne Wonder. You remember this song?
Hey. I love you most, and we share a place of special good times together. It seems like our love can get much better. No,
Yeah, but the early days of Wayne Wonder, ready?
'cause we were as close as two could be. True love will last forever. We're more than just lovers. We're good friends. They say time can heal a broken heart. True love never ends. So why not start where we begin?
Sing out.
Because I still say yes to you again. Darling, for you, I do it all again. Yes, I still.
And then you
Singing
have
melody.
Singing Melody.
Shower
And this is
Me.
one of the songs where boss Singing Melody properly man make it more out there. Yeah, that Singing Melody Shower Me Your Love, because that song was a big song back in the days by Surface. Singing Melody is one of the artists who come from the 80s. It's a do song like Flashback, the same Shower Me Your Love, When I'm Feeling Blue.
Yeah, them song.
Yeah,
there.
and Whatever You Want, Baby. Yeah, for top ranking. A whole heap of song
Whole
him
heap of
sing.
song him
Yeah,
sing.
man. You understand me? Better known as Everton Hardware. So when he did Shower Me With Your Love, that song was a big soul song. And back in those days, as they had a soul song, we had a reggae version to it. Because the way a Singing
Yeah.
Melody do that song there, but nobody even remember the cover,
Yeah.
the original.
Because anytime a big souls come out,
Yeah.
reggae version.
A reggae version come out and match it.
My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. Always feeling home so short. Life is too short to live alone when there's someone to call my own. I will care
Hey yo,
for
you are in tune with the Music Feel Reggae Show on Yardstyle Live.
Love will live forever.
Sing it.
Shower me with your love. Shower me with your love that I long for. Shower me with your love. Shower me with
So after that, now we have a song named And in the Year.
No other ranks.
They're the late great Nada Ranks. You understand me? And after that, we have
90s artists. 80s,
Yeah.
90s artists.
Nada Ranks. They have a song named Brr,
Them a bleach.
and them a Bleach. Yeah, rest in peace, Nada Ranks. And also you have Malibu, Second That Emotion. And you also had Junior Vibes.
Always something there.
Yeah, always something there. And then you had a Johnny P name, Farin Bungle. Yeah. Then days I know say people come and give some old brokers, they want to call it. Well, Johnny
They call
P.
it Foreign bungle.
Yeah, Johnny P. are one of them. How you call it? 80s artists.
artists.
Yeah. Then Johnny P. advice Steely, and Cleavy, Jammies, everybody
everybody.
techniques. Yeah, Johnny P. was known for old broke, bike back.
Bite back.
And him do a song with him and singing, say, hey, you love me.
Yes,
I'm on
him
with
a
it.
singing melody.
Right, that of a Jammies.
Jammies, yeah.
Yeah, so I kick it off like this.
Oh yeah.
Hey, this is Malibu.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah.
Hey, listen.
There is always something there to remind me. Me. There is always something there to remind
Yeah, man, produced by Steely and Cleavy, you know?
me. She used to kiss me on my chin when she a make love to me. Rub down me back and touch up belly. That the little girl me said she really love me. Always something there to remind me. Me. There is always something there to remind me. Me. Love.
Johnny P do that song there, you understand?
Yeah.
Me? So the rhythm is called Brainwave, but there are several other songs that were on this rhythm, like what again we think about Prophecy and Kisses in the Moonlight. Not the same rhythm as I
No,
said.
different.
Different rhythm, similar.
I know, so we'll leave off a big song of it.
Which song will leave off?
No, Bingy General.
Yeah, oh yeah. Stick It Up.
Stick it up.
Yes. Police in they don't say it up, we stick it up. Yeah man, and this rhythm, as you know, Bingy General is Major Mackerel brother.
Brother, yeah.
Yeah.
80s artists.
Yeah, I know say one of the songs was
Back
sung.
in the 80s.
Yeah, him did have a label called Pisces.
Yeah, Pisces.
And Bingy General have a song where Cartel they sing over back. Come touch me now. Touch that? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
What Cartel do?
I remember Bingy hot boy.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's Major Mackerel. You know why? Yeah man, we have She now.
Foreign bungle, we no want them.
Yeah.
Fire for the man in a foreign bungle. Them come again, no. Foreign bungle, we no wear it. Fire for the man.
That was back in the days we have Sheen and Amazon and them something there now.
The licking blank off.
Johnny P.
Them a muckle na foreign bungle. Them a go like them a suck and them a sit it thing and take it out. Girl them nah say no. It thing say them a muckle na different thing papa. We na go on like them a suck and them a sting. But what? Foreign bungle, we no want them. Fire for the man in a foreign bungle. Them po. The girl shoot off of them po. In a foreign bungle.
Again.
Foreign bungle, we no wear it.
Early days of Barrow clothes, it's in a chore.
Buckle in a it po. Girl pick the legs fat off of them po.
In the meantime, now the wrong start. I think bigger brother or younger brother. Yeah.
Not sure about time, brother.
Yeah. And they have a label named Pisces. Yeah. Where over there. Where they do under there? Yeah. Theme.
Pisces.
Yeah. You understand me? So that is the Brainwave Riddim. It was very popular in dancehall because of Steely and Cleavy's influence. And they did have a song called Silverhawk. So a lot of dubs used to be cut on this
Cut on
rhythm.
rhythm, yeah.
Whole heap of dub.
Holy dub.
Yeah, when you hear this rhythm, you just think immediately about Silverhawk, Barbican, and you don't know the whole music industry. Listen to the rhythm and people say, God, whole heap of dub on it. And you think about the dance is all of those stuff. Because you used to have some classic dubs on this rhythm.
Hands up, just like when the policeman say, stick it up. You see what I mean? Let go. Hand in the ear, put your hand in the ear. All of them massive, put your hand in the ear. Follow me. Hand in the ear, put your hand in the ear.
Yeah, man, the late great Nada Ranks.
Massive, put your hand in the ear. Say all girl child, give a listening ear. Say no, they with no broke pocket man this a year. When the wall look good and Jerry curl through the ear. And when you a go out, girl, you want taxi fare. And if it is a shoes, well, you want two pair. And if it is a earring, well, no want two pair. So come, hand in the ear, put your hand in the ear.
All of the massive, put your hand in the ear. Come, hand in the ear. Put your hand in the ear. Say all of the massive, put your hand in the ear. From your inner Clark's boot, put your hand in the ear. And your inner Bally, put your hand in the ear. And your inner Reebok, put your hand.
I'm going to play a classic dancehall anthem. Police used to vex when they used to play. Spooky, play the song.
Dollars it's strong. Put your hand in the ear.
Police in the dance, you feel stick it up.
This is Bingy General. Hey, me get in trouble for that song, you know. Want to see about this rhythm now? I'm going to take, because right now, what I say, for that rhythm here, Spooky, it's like me, I got to see it because the Wayne Wonder, the singing melody, you understand me?
Yeah.
And the Johnny P. Them they're the big song for them. And also the Bingy General. You understand me? Yeah, stick it up. As we say, there were many other songs on this rhythm. They just put out one album and put out a lot of singles because, you know, back in the days, they were like young producers, just leaving the stables of King Jammies
yes.
and doing their own production. So they were doing some, we call it now, early experimenting. And it worked. Because this rhythm to this date still can take up and play. That's the thing with the 90s rhythm, you know. Them still have a sound, a flavor there, and you get nostalgic every time. But, I'm going to rate that rhythm, you know, Spooky. Boy, who take the rhythm? Boy, Spooky, you may say. Right now, me and Spooky, I don't want to use the word tiny. We're going to have the same. The same. Yeah, Spooky, take your tree. Who take the rhythm, Spooky?
Who take the rhythm? You know, sir, I know one song take the rhythm though.
No.
A three. I know one song take the rhythm.
No. Spooky, who you think take the rhythm? Because this is one of them rhythm away. Jano.
Who take the rhythm? You know, say, singing melody. Shower me with your love.
Yeah. Well, you know, I work with the singing melody and the Bingy General. You understand me? And the Wayne Wonder. Them there three, but
just one song.
Well, I mean, no.
Singing melody, me say.
Big man, right now, one song can't take the album. Because I feel all uncomfortable, you know. You see me? But that's the singing melody and the Wayne Wonder.
Drop, man, up forward.
Then at that,
my heart is filled
with
forward, so.
Yeah.
Bad tune.
So, yeah. Well, I get to the singing melody. Mr. Everton Hardware. Yeah. Him take the rhythm. And then you have the Wayne Wonder. You see me? And then
the Bingy General.
Because
3 songs.
The police them used to fix with that song they play in a car. Me remember when they dance, and then the band that song the one time in a car. When police come like it up, Jerry just play it. You see me? Yeah, man, and the promoters to feel away, and then the police in the dance, the man say, them I can hear it. Yeah. But yeah, and for rhythm like that, why am I going to give 10 out of 10? I don't know if it's because me a Steely and Cleavy enthusiast, but this is one that rhythm forward and change dancehall again. Because you have a reggae rhythm with some dancehall artists on it. You understand me? And that was like that was like a revolution at them time. You understand me? You have singers, I have the dancehall, and as I said before, this was the new wave. This is when the early days of what the new engineering thing the name again now with the was stealing it. This was the early days of Pro Tools. Yeah. And Steely and Cleaver them are one of the revolutions in Pro Tools and more you can listen to the rhythm and hear the early days.
Them was the first use as a Pro Tools.
Right. I will tell the world that. You understand me? So anybody use Pro Tools now,
Jamaica.
Remember say a Steely and Cleaver them are a father and a grandfather and for Pro Tools. You understand me?
And that was like late.
No, that was like late. It's around 30 years ago or 40 years ago. Yeah, around that one time there. Take from late 80s, 87, 88. Yeah, around them time. It's around like 40 years ago. Early days of Pro Tools.
Early days.
Yes. So if I big up Wycliffe, Steely, Johnson and Cleveland, Clevie Brown. You know, so are two great musicians that, you understand, they're coming from a musical family. You understand the Brownies and they have Wycliffe, Steely. I come from Channel One days and them something. You understand? Yeah. So you don't know. Two great minds produce a rhythm that to this date still a classic. Brainwave.
Classic.
Yeah. So we rate this one. We'll give this 10. Yeah, because I Steely and Clevie. Yeah, man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I forget 10 out of 10. People are going to cuss, but we don't know. Actually, we're Steely and Clevie enthusiasts. A psycho. I respect the legend. So, Steely and Clevie, big up.
Big up Steely and Clevie.
Yeah, every time.
Yardstyle Life Territory. Openly represented. Yeah! territory. Yardstyle life, territory. Hey, 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 hey.